A state lawmaker from our region is leading the push to reform New York parole laws in an effort to better protect the public and hold parolees accountable for violating the release terms. To support her argument, Assemblywoman Monica Wallace is pointing to allegations of recent parole violations in the southern tier. Convicted killer Edward Kindt is accused of returning to the Salamanca area last month, where he raped and murdered Penny Brown 25 years ago. He was released from prison in 2023 after serving 23 years behind bars. Leaving his supervised transitional housing in Dutchess County is a violation of his parole. He is now at the Dutchess County Jail awaiting a parole violation hearing tomorrow. Assemblywoman Wallace calling this case Exhibit A for why the current laws need reform. Tonight, you'll hear from her along with Penny Brown's daughter, who has joined this fight for change.
It is a living nightmare, and how could there be a more glaring example of a failure?
Caitlin Brown was only 13 years old when her mom, Penny Brown, went out for a run on Mother's Day in 1999 and never came back.
This is what worst nightmares are made of.
Her mother's killer, Edward Kindt, was 15 at the time. After serving more than 23 years behind bars, he was released last year on parole. But last month, Kindt violated that parole for a second time when he escaped supervised housing in Dutchess County. The State Parole Commission lost track of him for 6 days and didn't notify law enforcement until the day before he was found. And he was found back in Salamanca, where he killed Brown and where he was banned from returning.
We should never, ever, ever be at the point we're at with my mother's murderer having broken his ankle bracelet off and is back on my block.
Assemblymember Monica Wallace says New York's less is more legislation passed in 2021 makes it harder for parole officers to do their job.
The legislation was intended to prevent parolees from going back to jail for what we'll call technical violations like missing an appointment or being late from curfew.
But she says because of this law, there are few, if any, consequences for parole violators.
And the case of Edward Kindt is Exhibit A as to the problem of these changes. Kindt poses a real danger to the community. Yet the Less is More Act limits the ability to reincarcerate him.
Wallace has introduced legislation that she says would strengthen penalties for parole violators like Kindt.
Right now, if you abscond, if you leave without telling your probation officer where you're going and you go somewhere you're not supposed to go, as Edward Kindt did, it's only 7 days if it's your first violation, up to 30 days if you've had many, many violations.
Governor Kathy Hochul answering questions about the case while in Buffalo Monday.
He is not the first parolee to be able to cut loose from the electronic monitoring system and to escape. The good news is that no harm was done during this time, and I know he was visiting his mother. It's unacceptable what happened. Unacceptable what happened. I say that very forcefully. The family didn't deserve this stress. I say that right now, and I want to get to the bottom of it as well.
Brown says Kindt should have never been released on parole in the first place.
How could there be a more glaring example of a system gone so wrong?
Well, that parole violation hearing is scheduled for tomorrow. We will continue to follow this case.